Time to sand it. As you can see, there's quite a lot of dry stuff on there. I'm using the 80 grit green paper. Once again, I've done a little bit here just to see how it's going to turn out. As you can see there, I've gone back a lot to the actual corking, so which means that we're probably going to get some stains. That's a join. Yeah. All we can do is just go for it, I suppose. Now that's a workout, I'm telling you. It's quite good for the body to be able to puff a little bit. I've still got a little bit down there to do. I've got this other wall. You might have noticed I've undercoated these doors. I still haven't taken them off and trimmed them yet, and I still haven't changed the hinges. I'll leave that till last. So I've still got this one to sand down yet. Yes, it's a battle, and I've got to organise some paint. I don't have the paint colours off the owners yet, so we've got to wait for that, and then I'll do the it's a ceiling colour, the main thing. So we've got to prepare all that, get it all gapped up and ready to spray and roll. So we're going to be spraying and rolling those ceilings. 2 coats of the Weather Shield, Dulux Weather Shield low sheen up there, and we'll also put a coat of the Dulux Weather Shield low sheen on this wall, and we'll do the same in there. That way we can then go ahead, undercoat these walls and just bring that wall in at the same time. Gloss work, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. I wasn't painting inside here, but it looks so bad I thought I'd just do it. I won't be able to, it's just too hard to plaster it. I think I probably should have plastered this area here yesterday. I still might do that yet, still might do it. You know what I'm like. I like everything to be good, and I'll leave something and then go back to it because I don't think it's good enough. I'm going to be corking in all these as well. Now that's probably a 8mm hole there. Dust is going to get out. I'm going to go all the way up here because there's a lot of paint from the other painter and stuff on there. So we're going to gap this here, cork it. And I thought about using a Sikaflex, but I got a Sika, a water-based Sika gap filler, so a Sika Seal. So we're going to be using that. This is day 2, probably 8:30 in the morning. I've been here about maybe 40 minutes, something like that. So I've got that sanded, maybe an hour. So an hour per wall to sand. By the time I sand this wall, I'm going to be feeling pretty sore. I've started taking the door handles and stuff off. I've done all this in oil-based undercoat because it's not good. Taken some locks off. That is so tight there. These doors have to come off and be trimmed. You know, you don't want that on your brand new carpet. So that's going to be a pain in the ass taking them off as well. But anyhow, I'll manage. I'm not sure. See, that one is so tight. I can hardly move it. It won't even close. So that one also needs doing. They all need 5mm taken off them. That one there's the only one that's fine. It's okay. This one here needs trimming as well. It's touching, it's hitting the carpet. So there's a few to do. You don't want this here. I'm going to get rid of all dust sources. I tried using this, but what it does is it's too fast. It pushes too much in too fast. that would be good for Sikaflex or something like that, you know, on your big gaps. But to be honest, I used it on a house there once. You know, put say 40 or 50 tubes in, maybe 60 tubes, and it worked good. Done the bulk work, but for doing finer stuff, you know, 5mm stuff like that, it's not suitable.